Hello, this is an introduction for Auto-Git. So what's Auto-Git? Auto-Git is a little desktop application with a graphical user interface that lets you monitor folders and automatically take care of all the Git things. So every time you change something in your code, it will generate a commit and generate commit messages using artificial intelligence. So we have two folders here. So I'm monitoring the project itself. And also this is like a new project that I have right here. Let's make it so there is no Git folder in here, so it starts completely blank. Drag it in. You can also use the add folder button right here, or in the tray there's a little icon where I can stop the monitoring and remove the folder as well, or add a new folder. And now it already initiated it with a README, which is blank at this point in time. So let's look at our file right here. So this is a very basic HTML structure. So this is made for mouse users. And so let's change this to, this is some debugging. And now we have the next command right here with the changes, the diff log right here. I can jump back to the past, maybe copy this here, jump here and paste it in. That's very handy. There's the next commit. So now it says 7 lines until rewrite. So that's when it will invoke the AI to rewrite these commit messages. So it will collect some commit messages and then have a bigger context to make sense of it and write intelligent commit messages. It will also do this after 1 minute has passed after making the first change. So you can set this up in the settings right here after 1 minute or after 10 lines. So I can just like add 10 more lines and it will do it immediately. And there we have it. That's what we did, right? Update script to from alert to console log. Revert script change from console log to alert. Okay. And add empty lines. So I didn't have to manually type that in. So now I can also use update readme. And as you can see, it generates a readme. Let's have a look at it. When I click here, I will get the tree view as well, so I don't need the folder open, but I can right click anywhere here on the folders, open the folders, copy their path, or open the files here in the tree view. And yeah, simple HTML file with a script for debugging, displaying an alert, display the debug model. Yeah. And now I can push this to Gitea with the API token set here. Yeah, and then it's online, and I really didn't have to take care of anything. I just drop my folder in there, do my coding, all the commits are there, and when I'm done updating the README, pushing to Gitea, and that's fine. There's also setting for sky mode. That's another theme. So the background, the blue color is based on what time it is. So now we're at noon. So it's a bright blue, and at night it's gonna be dark. So there's also the cat right here, which is your little companion. You can click on it, it will smile. You can pet it, and it will be very happy. And it also takes track of how much commits you do in a day. So this right now is going to orange already. It's the known color scheme of gray, white, green, blue, purple. So it starts with gray if you have 0 commits in a day, and then it goes to white at 10 commits, and then green at 20, and blue at 50. Transitioning the colors. At 100 it's going to be purple, and now we're going to orange, which full orange will be achieved at 500 commits, so it incentivizes you to work hard. Yeah, so let's jump back here. README is going to be empty again. Jump back. All right. That's what it does. Feel free to use it and have fun. Have a nice day.